Today we'll be working on the 5th grade lesson 6 worksheet, starting with addition and subtractions using parentheses. Number 1. So we have to do what's inside the parentheses first because of PEMDAS. So 5 plus, and then 8 minus 6 is 2. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So the answer to number 1 would be 7. And number 3, 14 plus 2. Again, we're doing what's inside the parentheses first. 14 plus 2 is 16. Minus 5. 16 minus 5 is 11. So 11 would be your answer for number 3. Number 4. So first let's work on the first parentheses. 12 plus 13. 12 plus 13. So 2 plus 3 is 5. And 1 plus 1 is 2. And then if we work on the second parentheses, 8 minus 4 is 4. So 25 minus 4. That would equal to 21. So 21 would be your answer to number 4. Let's do number 6. So let's line up the decimals since we're adding decimals. So 4.2 plus 3.33. And okay, 0 plus 3 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 4 plus 3 is 7. And now we have to subtract 0.03. So subtract 0.03. 3 minus 3 is 9. No, 3 minus 3 is 0. And 5 minus 0 is 5. 0.7 minus 0 is just 7. So your answer for number 6 would be 7.50 or 7.5. Okay, number 7. Do what's inside the parentheses first. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 minus 9 plus 8. 9 minus 9 is 0. Plus 8 would be just 8. Okay, the next section is compare. And for this section, you have to state whether the two expressions are greater than, less than, or equal to each other. So 32 minus 7. We have to borrow 1 from 3. And 12 minus 7 is 5. And the 2 comes down. And then 25 plus 11 would be 36. 11 plus 32. 11 plus 32 would be 43. Subtracted by 7. Once again, we borrow 1 from the 4. Okay. 13 minus 7 is 6. And then the 3 will come down. So the answer is 36. And now we have to state whether they're greater than, less than, or equal to each other. And 36 is equal to 36. Let's try number 6. So for number 6, we would do 8 plus 5, which is 13. 13 minus 5 would be 8. And then 5 plus 9 is 14. Minus 2 would be 12. So 8 would be less than 12. So the answer to number 6 would be less than. Using algebra. So for this section, you have to substitute x with 2 and then state whether the expression is true or false. So 2 equals, number 1 says 20 minus 16, which is 4 minus 2. And 4 minus 2 is 2. And 2 equals 2, so number 1 would be true. And number 2 equals 8 minus 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 2 is 6. 2 is not equal to 6, so this would be false. Tasha brought $2.50 to spend at the bake sale. She spent 55 cents on a brownie and 85 cents on a slice of cake. How much money did she have left? So we're subtracting 2.5 by 0.55 and 0.85. So we borrow 1. 10 minus 5 would be 0. And if we borrow 1 again, 14 minus 5 minus 8 would be 1. And then the 1 would drop down. So the answer would be $1.10.